Hello everyone, welcome to another video of mine. It's your boy Namakano here and alive once again. Today is another reveal of a keycap that I just got just today. Took a bit of a while, but it's here. And not only that, hopefully this collection of mine can really contribute and be part of this all-around collection right here. So let's dig right into it, shall we? So this is a 9K caps. Forgot who I brought it from, but it's from the SD store. I will probably link the description below if you, in case you're curious enough. But anyways, let's check it out. Alright. Not only that, it came with a little Pokemon. I forgot what this Pokemon's name is, but it's definitely from the older generation. I forgot Pokemon's name. Sorry, I'm not a big Pokemon fan, but I do love the stickers. I do store them somewhere, so don't worry about that. Anyways, a little foam coverage here, and oh, not what I was expecting. I thought I ordered 3, but I guess ordered 2. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, first one. So the drum roll. We have this is right, this is a stingray, I believe, or a mantis. I can't remember which one's which. I'm not a marine biologist, but here we are. Wow, look at this, eh? Sorry, I don't sound very enthusiastic or excited, but it is really nice to see up close. I'm not sure what I was expecting. I was expecting this, but not so much. I thought it would be a little bit more transparent than this, but it is cool looking, and it's my favorite color of blue, so I really like the complementary thing here. It really fits all together. But yeah, this is a not praying mantis, sorry. It's a stingray, it's a ray. The reason why I got this one is because according to its explanation or biology or whatever you want to call it, there's different descriptions and different things in accordance to the animal. So not only I got a little ray here, I also got another one that also means something, and I forgot what it means, but I'll put it up on the screen right now to show you why I got those things. And I think these two animals sort of complement who I am as, oh my gosh, as a person. So that's the reason why I chose these two. Yeah, drum roll please. We got a whale shark. Wow, you actually see the animal in there. Okay. Wow. Wow. Yeah. So small yet so feels good, and obviously it's one of the cherry OEM profiles that I chose. Obviously you could get a bigger one than this, but yeah, you see here like the water pattern is a little bit better than this one, not gonna lie to you, because this one is just all like similar to the same color, so I prefer this. And once again, according to its biology there, each animal means something different, so I think these aquatic animals kind of go along with my marine biology type thing here. Once again, I've mentioned I wanted this to be like a koi fish scenario. I think these little shark guys will probably complement the WSSD or my arrow keys here. So it really depends how I feel. These is 2 very lovely keys. Welcome to the marine life. I actually love them both. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything. It did take a while to come in, not gonna lie. I was really hoping for something a little bit more, but you know what? It is what it is here, and it looks good. Like, it looks good. I haven't put it in the light so far, so hopefully the RGB lights can make it seem a little bit more cinematic, you know what I mean? So yeah, it looks beautiful. The shark, man, you can't even see the little mantis here, bro. The ray is really thin, but yeah, it looks beautiful. I really like it. Wow. Anyways, I think that's it for the video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and hopefully you guys can see more of my collection of keycaps as it continues to grow larger and larger, as I'm reaching my goal of a koi fish sort of theme here. We'll see what happens next time. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Till next time, guys. Peace.
Do you know the way? What does it even mean anymore?